Choosing between metal and PVC conduit can be confusing. Let's make it simple and balanced. Metal conduit is strong, fire-resistant, and offers excellent physical protection for wires. It's a solid choice for commercial, industrial, or exposed indoor installations. However, it's heavier, more costly, and takes more time and labor to install. PVC conduit is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and easier to cut and handle. It's also more affordable, which helps reduce project costs. It's widely used in underground, outdoor, and residential projects, although it cannot compare to metal in extreme heat resistance. Many top-quality PVC conduits offer excellent impact strength and temperature performance. Both types have advantages. The right choice depends on the specific applications and budgets.